Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love, and today we're doing an Amazon wig review on this LUXEdiva unit. So this is an Amazon unit and it comes from the store LUXEdiva. This is the 5x5 water wave transparent lace, 20-inch in length, and as you can see it's given. Make sure you screenshot the store and the picture in case you want to get the unit for yourself. In the packaging, they did give me a wig cap, which is always great. So right out of the box, I'm gonna give this a definitely 8 out of 10. See how small these knots are? Feeling it. The lace was very transparent. The waves was giving what they were supposed to give, and yeah. So in order for me to put it to the test, your girl gotta color it. So I did a nice little bleach bath. And then I'm going to do watercoloring. I'm not going too crazy with the color today. I'm just trying to get it to a nice honey blonde so then I can go ahead and put my red in. Isn't it so satisfying? So I did decide to do a bleach bath on this hair just because I never worked with the hair, and that kind of tells me if the hair is going to be good or not. If I can do a bleach bath and none of the ends get split and the hair doesn't dry out, that to me is an indicator that this is good quality hair. So if you are looking for a good quality water wave unit, LUXEdiva would be your place to go. So this is how the color came out. This is still kind of wet. I'm going to show you guys how it looks when it's dry. As you know, when hair is wet, it looks a little bit darker. And when it's dry, it's nice and fluffy. And you see how bright it is. So I'm going to be going over this with Crimson from Kiss Colors. And this is how she came out. Like I said, the waves are waving. I didn't put any mousse or anything. I literally just washed it and conditioned it, and this is how the waves came back. If you want to enhance your curl pattern, you can always use a little mousse. You could use a crimp iron, but your girl is feeling this look. If you guys want to see the install, make sure you let me know in the comments, and I will post another video doing the install. But this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you check out LUXEdiva on Amazon. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook too. Leilani's Love all across the board. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace and love.